Hello, I'm Dr. Hudson from Highland Park Animal Hospital, and today I would like to help you better understand cat wellness and how to ensure your cat thrives and lives a good life. My assistant Matt will be helping by asking some questions about cat wellness, and I hope we're able to help you understand why cat wellness is so important.
Dr. Hudson, what is a cat wellness exam?
A cat wellness exam is our exams that we perform on a usually on an annual basis at least. And that entails a full head to toe physical exam, starting usually at the head, looking at their teeth, their eyes, their ears, listening to their heart and lungs, and feeling their belly for any potentially intra abdominal issues.
What will a veterinarian be looking for during my cat's wellness exam?
So ultimately, we're looking for early detection in a variety of issues. So, like I said on the earlier, we're looking at everything from the head to toe. So usually, when we pick up issues that might become apparent on a physical exam, but not quite affecting the cat's quality of life yet, we're able to pick up on these earlier and then have a better chance at being able to prevent this from getting worse or improving their quality of life, or even being able to heal the issue that's apparent.
Will my cat's wellness exam require any specific lab work or procedures?
Often, the cat's wellness exam does entail a little bit of blood work. Often, we recommend a little bit of an internal panel to look at all of our organ function to make sure all that looks well. Cats are unique creatures that, in that, no matter how well the owner knows their cat, they are very good at hiding conditions often. They're creatures that naturally want to hide when they're not, hide their symptoms when they're not feeling well, and so often it doesn't become apparent at no fault of the owner that their cat is sick until it is a little bit more progressed.
How does wellness how does wellness impact the longevity and health of my cat?
So, picking up on some of our medical issues with cats, especially as they get a little bit more senior, looking for kidney issues, some GI issues, thyroid disease, a variety of conditions that cats in the middle to later years of their life get. Being able to pick these up early can often prevent serious sequela conditions from occurring. So, a lot of these diseases I just listed aren't necessarily severely life threatening in of themselves, but they can cause some other issues that are life threatening. And as a result, by being able to pick those up early, we can often prevent those secondary conditions from occurring.
When should I bring in my cat for a veterinary wellness exam?
So, very similar to dogs, we recommend at a minimum cat wellness exams every year. That gives the veterinarian an opportunity to discuss with the owner on how the kitty is doing at home, as well as perform a physical exam and make sure our cat is as healthy as we could tell. And picking up those things can often lead to a better outcome.
What are some signs and symptoms that my cat might not be feeling well?
So some of the signs and symptoms that your kitty might not be feeling well, some of the more common ones we see are definitely lethargy, laying around, not as active or playful as they used to be, decreased appetite, vomiting, diarrhea, muscle loss are some of the most common symptoms that the owner can pick up at home that my kitty is not feeling well.
What are some possible environmental factors that can affect cat wellness?
Good question. There's a variety of environmental factors that can both positively or negatively affect the well being of your cat. Some of the things that we really at home that we really want to emphasize is environmental enrichment, so toys, scratching posts, stuff like that. Access to fresh and clean water. Cats can be more picky about their water than dogs generally are. And then also litter boxes. A lot of medical issues we see in veterinary medicine or not necessarily medical issues, but owner complaints or concerns, is urinary issues with cats. Urinating inappropriately in inappropriate areas and whatnot. It is very important to actually have access to both fresh, clean litter boxes, but also the number of litter boxes is important. Anytime you're having urinary issues with cat, the immediate recommendation is one litter box more than the number of cats in the household. So for a cat household, we would recommend 2 litter boxes. For a 2 cat household, we recommend 3.
Thanks for taking the time to talk to me about maintaining my cat's wellness today, Dr. Hudson.
Thank you. If you have any questions regarding cat wellness, please give us a call. We're here to help.